Let's create snapshots of your assigned items. This square is a lens. It's where you take assigned item snapshots. Inside the snapshot repository, the default view is the live version. It shows the details of the selected inventory's assigned items as they are at this point in time. However, the information on these items may change. For example, an expired item might be replaced with a new one, and the expiry date will change along with the lot number and other details. As the item gets updated in the inventory, this also reflects in the live version of assigned items in your task. Sometimes it is important to record what the item information was at the time a step or the entire task was completed. To save this, you can create a snapshot. Click View Versions and then Create a Snapshot. The snapshot of the current state is saved to the snapshot repository and is available to view at all times. As you lock your task, a snapshot will be created automatically and save the item's details at the time the task was moved to in review. If you'd like to export the details of the assigned items, click here and an email with a link to download a CSV file will be sent to your mailbox. If you'd like to set a particular snapshot as the default view, click here. You are quickly able to tell whether a task already has a snapshot of assigned inventory items by checking if it says Snapshot here. To learn even more about Synode, check the links in the description below.